Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to set Gemini as voice assistant on Samsung phone, and I'm provide solution if you have facing any problem not working or not showing. I'm provide full guide. Please don't skip my video. So simply open your settings, scroll down, click on to Google option, click on to all services, scroll down, click on search assistant and voice. Click on to use Gemini. Okay. Click on, just select this option. Okay, and you just say, "Hey Google," but it's not working, to not opening, and you need to just change some settings. Press on search assistant and voice. Let's go to fix this. Okay, and select to language, select, and click on talk to Gemini hand free. Need to set up this option. So as you can see, now it's turn off. At first need to turn on and set up. Okay, press on turn on, to I agree. Say, "Okay Google, help me write a thank you note." Second step, now say, "Okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow?" And now say, "Hey Google, explain how a rainbow is formed." Now say, "Hey Google, set a timer for 5 minutes." Okay, you are all set. Press on done. Make sure to turn on. Just go back. And you just say, "Hey Google." Now it's open this and fix any problem. So that's it. That's how we can do this.